Hi, this is Justin with Barefoot Organic Carpet Care. We've been cleaning carpet in the valley for over 9 years. Today what we're going to be showing you is how we will clean your area rug using our 7-step process. Step 1 in our process is to inspect and protect your home. We protect your walls with these corner guards. Before we enter your home, we put on shoe covers. When we inspect area rugs, we want to investigate and find out what happened to it. Right here is where a dog was laying. There's oil, dirt, and hair all embedded into the fiber. So this is the area that we're going to really address. Step 2 in our process is to thoroughly vacuum your area rug, get all the dry particulates out. We use a high-powered vacuum to do so. Good suction is important to clean your area rugs. That's why we keep ours clean with the canister and the beater. You can see how much we got out of the carpet already by just vacuuming, and we're just getting started. Step 3 in our process is to use plant-based enzyme to get rid of any bacteria-based stains. Step 3 in our process is to use this plant-based enzyme to get rid of any bacteria-based stains, including food, drink, and animal urine. Step 4 in our process is to use our organic pre-spray. This is our organic pre-spray, which has grapefruit seed extract, lime peel, orange peel, coconut. And what that does is it emulsifies your carpet, or it brings up and loosens any soil. For step 5 of our process, we're going to be using the Barefoot Power Brush, which has counter-rotating brushes that are going to dig deep into your carpet and bring up anything in it. If we look underneath it, there's 2 brush heads. This will work much better than a vacuum. Show you how much hair is on the power brush. And this is all the hair that we've gotten after just doing this area right after vacuuming. This is the dry particulates that were in the carpet. You can see the dust and lint and hair. You can still see the dirt and hair brought up, and many other things that are in there from the machine. We clean this after every job. Step 6 is where we flush and sanitize your area. We're going to use 230-degree water in this process. Just like taking a shower and shampooing your hair, we pre-sprayed it, we agitated it, and now we're going to rinse it. And now in step 7, we're going to groom the rug to make sure that we have all the carpet come up and dry quickly.
Our service is personal, and our customers are priority. We love what we do and it shows. Our excellent customer reviews speak for themselves. It's probably why we've won so many awards, including the People Love Us on Yelp award. We also deep clean tile and grout, upholstery like furniture, sofas, and love seats, wool and specialty area rugs, wood floors, mattresses, and fabric bed frames. If you have wrinkling, bubbling, or damaged carpet, we have 25 years of experience in repairing and restretching carpet. Unique to our industry, we offer powerful UVC sanitizing, which kills microscopic bacteria such as dust mites, MRSA, E. coli, viruses, mold, and more. In everything we do, our goal is to give you the power of nature and peace of mind. Give us a call, and we'll take as much time as you need to answer all your questions and learn how we can help you. For further information, visit our website at barefooto.com. That's barefooto, as in organic.com.